Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a video to show you how to use a polyline. So if you use a normal line command, you can click one side, you can click the other side, and there you have a line. So if you draw another line, even if it comes from the same point, and another line going perpendicular to there, then if you click on that, you see it's still individual objects. So if you want to make a block without creating a block from scratch, you use the polyline. So if you want to draw this object that I've drawn, but as you can see, I've drawn it with a circle that I've trimmed off and two lines and another circle. So there's a much easier way to do it with a polyline. So if I click the start of my polyline, then my second point of my polyline, then I hit A to create an arch and enter. So I can make it as big as I want. Let's say I want to make it 8 millimeters wide. I just click 8. So then there's another arch it's created. So to get back into the line mode, I just hit L, enter, and it's a line. So I can draw it as long as that one. A, enter to go into arch again. Just click there. And as you can see, I've drawn an object and it's a block already. So it's no need to create an additional block. So a polyline, all the clicks that you do, it doesn't create a new object, it creates or just continues with that same object. If it's a line, an arch, it doesn't matter. So the polyline continues with one line. So I hope this helped you, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.